Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over this Ryobi weed eater. This is the 15-inch version. It's compatible with all 40-volt batteries. Now, that little attachment there is what you use to put the string in there. That's the string that I got for mine. Been really good. These are the safety glasses that I use. I recommend those anytime you're weed eating. Trust me, you'll want those. Now, going over the weed eater, that is my battery. I actually have two of these batteries right there, the 40-volt. I seem to get, about 3 times using on my yard before I need to replace those. Has a locking trigger right there, rubberized handle so you don't feel the vibration. Little spot right there for tool attachments for changing it. Here I am changing the string. So this is one thing with this weed eater. You want to go about 4 foot of string. You can't go any more because of the way of the design of the bump on it. I just cut. What I do, I carry about 3 of those in my pocket so I can replace them. See that arrow? Line that arrow up, pass it through, equal up the sides. Now you're supposed to use that little tool, but check it out. You just line it up, and if you got strong enough hands like I do, just turn it like taking a lid off a jar. See that, everybody? I hold it and just do that right there. Easy as pie. It's lined right up. Throw away that little piece. It just lets you know when you're done. Now, the thing's not the lightest, but you know what? It's not too heavy to lug around. They do make an extra strap if you want to get a strap. Here I am using it around the side of a house where I don't really mow much. This thing really kind of cuts the grass really smooth. It's easily going around the edge. Like I said, it's got that little bump top. If you want to add more, it does an automatic cut on it. It's got a straight shaft for easy reach down in those spots like that. You want to be careful because it's got enough power. It actually cut one of the heads right off my light right there. So I'm being a little careless, but I can tell you this thing has a lot of power, and it'll take a plastic piece right off, but it'll go really well around these fences. There I am bumping it. You see that? That got me a little more. Watch that little twig. Gone. Right down through there. I've been really impressed with Ryobi tools. I also have a Ryobi electric mower that uses the same 40-volt ecosystem. I recommend these. It's been a great weed eater for just about everything around the house. Just weed eating around the, gully out here. I got a little ditch that I kind of clean up right there. But everybody, that's all I got today on the Ryobi weed eater and edger. See y'all in the next video.